Do you have stubborn dark spots that refuse to fade? You're not alone. Hyperpigmentation affects millions of people around the world. Today we'll explain what hyperpigmentation is, why it happens, and how you can build a skincare routine to help improve its appearance. Hyperpigmentation is caused by an increase in melanin. Triggers like UV exposure and inflammation active production. This excess melanin creates dark patches on the skin's surface. Anyone can experience hyperpigmentation. It is especially common in medium to deeper skin tones. These real examples show the variety of its causes. Let's look at some common mistakes. Picking at pimples always makes it worse. Never skip your daily sunscreen. Avoid harsh DIY home remedies. Fortunately, a consistent skincare routine with proven ingredients can help improve the appearance of hyperpigmentation over time. One premium product frequently recommended by dermatologists, SkinCeuticals C E Ferulic. This formula complements your skincare routine, designed to improve skin radiance. Let us walk through a morning routine. First, cleanse your face. Next, apply 4 to 5 drops of C E Ferulic. Follow with a moisturized broad-spectrum SPF, and you are ready for the day. Hyperpigmentation doesn't disappear overnight, but with consistent skincare, daily sun protection, and products like SkinCeuticals C E Ferulic. As part of your routine, you can support healthier, brighter-looking skin. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more skincare guides.